Hi, I'm Rachel Oakley with the English department. Our department consists of 6 members. Ms. McBrin, our chairperson, Ms. Chirico, Ms. McKeever, Mr. Pasensky, Ms. Wisniewski, and myself. Each grade level has 3 sections: academic, honors, and advanced placement. The advanced placement classes take 2 exams. One, the English language exam for their junior year, and the English language exam for their senior year. In addition to our regular courses, we have several exciting electives: Honors Women in Literature, Honors Creative Expressions, Aesthetics of Film, Reality versus Fantasy, Effective Communication, and Media and Journalism. We also have several extracurriculars under the aegis of the English department: the Page Turner Society, Quintessence, Yearbook, BJM Journal, Reading Olympics, National English Honor Society, and the Shakespeare competition at DeSales University. Thanks for tuning in to hear about the English department. Like I said, we're very proud of who we are, and we're also proud of the receptivity and caliber of our girls. Take care and be well.